Hey there, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. We are back with another tester video, and as promised I said that I would test the Cica clearing BB cream. This one is from Purito and I picked up the color #23 natural beige. It says that it's a healthy looking glow, flawless coverage and EO and fragrance free. So let's open her up. The packaging is like really clean and sleek. It's really pretty. I actually like it. It's very nice. I don't have anything on my skin at the moment, just a bit of toner and moisturizer since I do have really dry skin. I'm just gonna dot this on my face and go in with a brush. I picked up natural beige and this color actually looks pretty dark. I feel like it matches my skin tone, but it has like really grey undertone, like a really ashy looking undertone. I'm gonna go in with another small layer. I always just like put on a little bit of product and slowly build it up because that's just like how I like to do my makeup, because I don't like to wear too much. So I'm just going to slowly build this up. I'm also not breaking out as much today as I was in my previous testing video, which is good. I still have a bit of texture and redness, but this is helping cover it up pretty decently. You can obviously still see my texture, but color wise I feel like it's helping cover up my redness, but it has such a weird tone to it. Like, it looks so grey, but I feel like on camera it doesn't look that bad, but in person I feel like it looks really grey-ish, like ashy. I can definitely feel it on my skin. Like, I can feel the moisture and the like layer of makeup on my skin, which I feel like is pretty common in BB and CC cream since they do have the like moisturizing aspect and you can kind of feel the moisture. But I'm not hating it because it doesn't feel like heavy and annoying. It feels pretty light. I feel like it did do pretty well hiding my redness, and the coverage isn't actually that bad. It's actually pretty decent, but you can obviously still see a bit of my texture. But I feel like in terms of like hiding my redness, it's actually not bad, and it has like a really nice glowy finish to it. So far I'm quite liking it. Not the biggest fan of the color. I feel like it does definitely look a lot better on camera than it does in person, because I feel like it looks really ashy in person, but I feel like in camera it doesn't look that bad. Like, it looks warm. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. So I completed the rest of my makeup. I kept it really light as usual since I'm still in lockdown and I'm not really doing anything. Just a bit of eyeshadow, eyeliner and a lippy. I did bronze a little bit and I didn't powder down today. I was going to, but I kept like looking at my skin when I was doing my makeup and I just like loved how like glowy it was. It was a really pretty nice glow. I felt like it made I feel like my skin looks really healthy. So I decided not to powder, which might change the amount of time that this makeup's gonna last. But so far I'm really liking it. It's really hydrating. I feel like it doesn't feel as like heavy now. Like, once it's kind of settled into the skin, when you first apply it you can kind of feel the like moisturizer. So I feel like now it kind of doesn't feel like much, so I really like that, and I just like really love the glow that it gives me. So far I'm really liking it, but I'll continue with the day. I don't have my phone with me right now, so I don't know the time, but I did start really late today, but I will show you guys later. Hello, we are back in my room and I said I would check in the time. So it's currently 3, so that's kind of the time that I would say I finished applying all my makeup. I honestly started really late today. I know today's going to be a really slow day because the weather is just like so freaking nice and I feel really like relaxed, but I did also freaking get my period today. So it's like the first day of my period, and the first day period days are always like the worst because cramps are always crazy. So I've been like struggling a little bit. So I know that today is going to be like a really chill day. Honestly, I'm actually kind of surprised that I wasn't breaking out more, because I normally break out quite a lot around my period, and I did eat like ramen really late last night. So I'm honestly surprised, but that's good. Knock on wood that doesn't happen. But yeah, Today's gonna be really slow. I don't think I'm gonna be doing much. I honestly feel like I'm gonna be at my desk for like majority of the day. I hope that's okay with you guys. I'm still in lockdown, so I'm just gonna do a bit of work. You guys can keep me company. I feel like I'm too distracted to do work, so I think I'm just gonna play Genshin. I've been a little bit obsessed recently, and I feel like I'm just gonna be a lot more productive at night when I'm not in excruciating pain. So I think that I'm just going to fucking play Genshin, because fighting and killing things will get my mind off of my stomach pains, off my cramp pains. And I just feel really sad right now. My camera died while I was playing Genshin, so I'm just going to eat and watch some anime. My Genshin music is still in the background because I was literally in the middle of talking to one of the deities, the Adepti. My Hero Academia. I have a sandwich and a cup of hot water. Hot water is good when you have cramps, so remember that. Don't drink cold things when you have cramps. Hot things only, okay? My skin still looks pretty okay though, but I'm gonna watch Boku no Hero. While I was playing Genshin, it's okay though. So I guess it is time for our final check-in. I've been wearing my makeup for a good few hours. It is currently 11:31. So it's pretty much 11:30. So I've been wearing it for like a good 8 hours, and I honestly feel like it still looks really good. But I don't know if that's because I didn't really do anything strenuous today. I pretty much just sat at my desk all day and ate. I just played Genshin, did some work and ate. I ate dinner, but I forgot to bring you guys along, so I apologize for that. But I honestly really enjoy how it looks. I feel like it looks great. I didn't wear it outside, so I don't know if this is why it's still like holding up so well for a BB cream, but I feel like it literally still looks the same. It's just like a little bit more oily than it was when I first applied it, but I feel like the color of the foundation has like oxidized kind of, and like now it matches my skin better. I feel like when I first applied it, it kind of had like that grey pink undertone, but I feel like now it's definitely a lot more golden and warm. So I really am liking that, and I'm really surprised, but it didn't flake at all. Like I normally always flake around my eye, like my mouth area and my forehead, but I haven't flaked anywhere at all, which is honestly super surprising and really rare when I wear makeup. So I really like that. It is definitely really comfortable and hydrating as a BB cream. I honestly really enjoyed it. I really liked it, and I feel like my skin looked gorgeous today. My mum complimented me on my skin. She was like, your skin looks so nice, and I was like, thanks. It's been a while. Since I've gotten a compliment on my skin, to be honest. But I also forgot to mention that I really wanted to try Purito because I used one of their moisturizers and I really liked it. So I was like, let's try one of their BB creams, and it's really moisturizing. So I'm honestly really happy with it. I really enjoyed it. I definitely will be using it again. Really happy with it. Love how it looks. But I'm gonna be washing it off because I really want to take a shower, and it's getting late and I don't want to be like taking a shower at midnight or anything. So it's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.